In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a PDF in Circle. So step by step. First, open Circle and log into your account. Once you're inside, navigate to the community where you want to share your PDF. This is important because the file will only appear in the specific space where you create the post. After that, go to the post space where you want the PDF to be published and click New Post to begin. Now that the post editor is open, start by entering a clear title for your post. A good title helps members immediately understand what the PDF is about. After adding the title, click inside the main content area. This is where you can introduce the file and give your audience some context. Add a short description or introduction for your PDF so members know why you're sharing it and what they should expect to find in it. Then place your cursor exactly where you want the PDF attachment to appear within the post. Next, it's time to upload the file. In the Post Editor toolbar, click the attachment or add icon, which usually appears as a plus sign. From the available options, select the file or PDF option. Then choose the PDF file from your computer. Once selected, give it a moment to upload completely. Depending on the file size and your connection, this may take a few seconds. When the upload finishes, the PDF will be added to your post as an attachment. One useful feature in Circle is that members can view uploaded PDFs directly within the post, which makes the content easier to access without needing extra downloads right away. After the PDF is in place, you can continue adding more information above or below it. This is a great place to explain what the PDF covers, include instructions for your members, add any important notes, or include a call to action. You can also invite discussion by asking members to reply with their thoughts or questions. If needed, you can organize the post further using headings, lists, or other formatting tools available in the editor. Before publishing, take a moment to review the full post. Check the title, description, and placement of the PDF to make sure everything looks right. Also confirm that the correct post space is selected, since that determines who will be able to see the post. When everything is ready, click Publish. Your PDF post will then become available to members in that space. And that's how to post a PDF in Circle.so.